introduction to free body diagrams and also to talk about tension and acceleration of objects that are connected by the same rope. If we're going to analyze this situation, which is the worker pulling on the rope, which goes over a pulley to lift the block, we have to consider the two objects, which is the worker and the block. If we draw a free body diagram of the block, there's the force of gravity on the block, and there's also the tension pulling up on the block. If we consider the forces on the man's hand, the man is pulling with a certain force, and there's tension in the rope. Now, if the tension and the force of the man's hand are equal, so we have congruency marks here, then we must also have congruency marks over here. But in another case, where the force on the man's hand is longer, the rope will be accelerating down this way, which means the block will be accelerating up this way. So the acceleration of the block has to equal the acceleration of the man's hand because they're both connected in the same system. The tension in the rope here also has to equal the tension in the rope over here, as long as the rope is not stretchy and doesn't have any mass itself, which is what we always assume for these simple tension problems.